to seek allotment of plot in the adjoining sector full stop. Adjoining sector for this purpose shall mean the sector with boundaries abutting to the said sector full stop, where there are more than one sectors adjoining to the sector for which land has been acquired full stop. In that case, comma, an oustee shall be entitled to make an application in any one sector of his choice full stop. However, comma, where any such application is made in more than one sector, then only his one application in any such sector at the discretion of the Hudda authority shall be considered, and earnest money in respect of other applications shall automatically stand forfeited, and no claim for such forfeiture shall lie in future full stop para. This clause is similar to the corresponding provisions of the policy dated 28/8/1998 full stop. What we said in respect of that policy applies equally to this clause full stop. In other words, comma, if a plot under the oustee quota is not available in the same sector from which the oustee's property has been acquired, comma, he would be entitled to the allotment of a plot under the oustee quota from any other sector full stop. This entitlement is not limited to the cases specified in the clause, comma, namely, comma, industrial, comma, institutional, comma, group housing sites, comma, completely commercial sector, etc. full stop. This is clear from the words any non-residential purpose, such as which proceed the words industrial, comma, institutional, comma, group housing sites, comma, completely commercial sector, etc. full stop. The words any and such as strengthen this view full stop. The word etc. at the end of the sentence further strengthens the view full stop. The words etc. indicates other such similar things full stop. The petitioner's appreciation in this regard, this comma thus comma set at rest full stop para. The petitioners also expressed understandable concern regarding the sentence, comma, adjoining sector for this purpose shall mean the sector with boundaries abutting to the said sector full stop. They apprehend that the respondents may construe the clause as restricting the oustee's rights only to the sectors with boundaries abutting the sector from which the oustee's property was acquired full stop. The appreciation is allayed by the learned Advocate General's statement that if in the abutting sector a plot is not available under sector full stop, we agree that is the purport of the clause full stop. The sentence is illustrative and was added only to indicate that if a plot is not available from the oustee quota in the sector from which the oustee's land was acquired, comma, it could be allotted from other sector full stop.